Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your budgeting skills with Mint easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Mint website or downloading the Mint app from your device's app store. Create a free account by entering your email address and a secure password. Once your account is set up, you'll be prompted to connect your financial accounts. Select the types of accounts you want to link, such as bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts. Enter your account login details for each financial institution you wish to connect. Mint uses bank-level encryption to keep your information secure. After linking your accounts, Mint will automatically import your transactions. Take a moment to categorize your transactions for better budgeting insights. Go to the Budget section in the main menu to create your personalized budget. Start by reviewing your monthly income and fixed expenses. Set budget limits for each spending category, like groceries, entertainment, and utilities. Monitor your spending throughout the month by checking the app regularly. Mint will provide notifications if you approach or exceed your budget limits. Use the Goals feature to set financial goals, such as saving for a vacation or paying off debt. Track your progress towards these goals in real time. Review the Trends section for insights on your spending habits over time. Adjust your budgets and goals as your financial situation changes. Take advantage of Mint's tips and resources to improve your budgeting skills further. By consistently monitoring and refining your budget, you'll build stronger budgeting habits over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.